Hello everyone! Today, I'll walk you through a guide to extend your iPhone battery life. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh. Switch it off to save some battery juice. 2. Siri Suggestion. Go to Settings, then Siri and search. Now, scroll down and turn off suggestion for all the listed apps. 3. Location Services. Navigate to Settings, go to Privacy, then Location Services. Toggle it off to prevent apps from using your location. 4. Optimize charging and low power mode. Go to Settings, then Battery. Ensure optimized battery charging is on. Also, toggle on the low power mode. 5. Reduce motion. Limiting unnecessary animation can help. First, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Motion and turn on Reduce Motion. 6. Choose Dark Mode in Settings, then Display and Brightness. It's not only stylish but also battery efficient. 7. Auto Brightness. In Settings, go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Then, turn off Auto Brightness. Adjusting it manually can conserve battery. So, by following these tips, you can squeeze some extra hours from your iPhone battery. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!